back to another SHITI Coolers Presents. Today we're going to be reviewing a big piece of shit. The piece of shit Rubbermaid. Mev! Fuck this thing!
Let's fucking go.
So welcome back to another SHITI Coolers on our lid. Today we're going to be talking about this little red piece of shit made by Rubbermaid, man. I mean, you don't see too many of them floating around.
No, they're rare.
It's very rare.
Especially this small.
Yeah. I mean, just like something else. So it's kind of misleading. I mean, you show up with something like this, yeah, it's embarrassing, but can it do the job?
It'll get you buzzed, I think.
I think a little beyond buzz.
If you're a bitch. You probably
right,
can't even fit 4 white paws in this bitch.
White paws? You know, let's add some texture to the top. Does nothing. I mean, you want to open it up? Yeah. Does nothing. I mean, if you're going to come up with a piece of shit like this, at least put some cup
Exactly. Something to give it some more character. Like, what do you got? You can't put a fucking bluegill on that. It's so fucking small.
Something along with this line. I mean, we don't even know how the cans are supposed to fit in there. I mean, I don't know if you put them up and down, if it's holding 6 or is it holding 8. I'm going with it's holding 8. We're gonna go to the over, huh?
I'm going over. I'm betting
over.
Vegas had the numbers on.
Beer guy. Can we get a beer guy? 1, 2.
It's all about, once you've been an experienced cooler enthusiast like myself, you'll know how to stack a cooler properly.
It could do it. And just like that, the cooler is full. And right when you thought you'd be arriving to the party,
barely takes any effort at all to get it in there.
That's it. Just a walk, just an absolute walk in the park.
You can hold this for hours with really to no tension.
It can hold 25 to 30 beers, depending on how comfortable you might want to try holding it.
Exactly. I mean, the ones that are scattered over there are just bad tosses, really. I could have got them in there. Hold it on your shoulder like that, and you put it in there, and your cheek helps it hold it in there. It works.